Empathizing with people or sympathizing with them. Okay. Be kind, make around happy, and show empathy. Okay. We should be good listeners. Listen rather than giving solutions. Okay. One aspect of it, yes. I found this very good quote from Google. It was given by Aristotle. Aditya said, behave same way as you want yourself treated as. Yes, definitely. To manage emotion, yes. So Aristotle said this, and I loved this quote. I mean, it was all the things I needed in this. He said that anybody can become angry. That's very easy. But to be angry with the right person, to the right degree, right at the right time, and for the right purpose, that's not within everybody's power, and that's not easy, isn't it? Ritika said that you need to be emotionally available for the people around you to make it world a better place, and you to make yourself a better person also, to make yourself happy. If you're emotionally available for somebody, they'll be able to be there for you, isn't it? If you're closed off, you don't talk to people, you don't have friends, you don't spend time with others, you're just living in your own box, will you be able to be happy? Will you be able to feel content, satisfied in life? To actually be happy, we need to first get out of that box to learn what is needed in this life. So I'm going to teach you 4 simple techniques to improve your emotional intelligence. If it's high, average, low, whatever it was the result. And I want you to practice that. Will you practice that? Okay, I got 2 more responses from Manisha. Okay, before love to share others. Okay, which is lacking nowadays. Always try to respect people. Nice. Okay, you will. Okay, so it's very simple. You might find it very basic, but I want you to try it. First is self-awareness. As I said, we perceive emotions wrong. That's why we react. We don't respond, we react. So the first thing you need to know is, okay, how many people talk, self-talk? Give yourself messages, I will do it, I will not do it, I can't do it, this will happen, that will happen. Okay, all those people do, okay. And how many of you actually give yourself positive self-talk? I can do it, I'll be getting this job, I'll be acing this test. Kunal does for last 2 months, okay. Is it positive or is it negative? Manisha's 90% conversation is with her also. Okay. Manisha, you're giving me the vibe from Geet from Jab We Met. I love myself, and that's a very good thing. Okay. Kunal said mixed. Okay, some positive, some negative. What is heavier, positive or negative? Manvi said not exactly positive. Okay. Manikanta does mostly negative. Manisha does positive. Asta did self-affirmation for a year and helped in lot in self-esteem. Kunal, you're doing negative self-talk for past 2 months. Okay. Did it improve your life or it make it worse? I want you to all do this very simple thing. I want you all. Okay, do you all have a mirror in your room? Yes, Ritika, I accept myself as I am. You all have, very good. When you wake up in the morning after all those, your bath routine and breakfast and everything, just stand up in front of mirror like this and tell yourself, I will be happy today. I'm writing down what you are going to say, and I want you to note it down or take a screenshot, and you will repeat it for 21 days starting tomorrow. First is, I'll be happy today. Manu said, I don't talk my SWOT problems and solution, just like SWOT analysis. Okay. Kunal, next in. have you heard what we tell ourselves what we become? Yes, I'll try. Okay. I have only two lines for you all. I'll be happy today. I'll achieve this today. Whatever it is a test, it's an interview, it's a project. You just need to say two things. That's it. For 21 days, standing in front of a mirror in the morning. You're able to understand as you are. I appreciate that you love your life, Manisha. Okay. Now, as I said, there are 4 components of EI. There was one, it's called managing emotions. Self-relating yourself, understanding your emotions. Do you know what triggers you? What makes you tick? What makes you angry? What makes you frustrated? Manikanta seems difficult because I don't have any achievements. Manikanta, you have done your bachelor's or master's? Complete BTech. So that's the achievement, isn't it? I mean, completing BTech is not everybody's cup of tea. Okay. What do you count as achievement? What do you think achievement actually is? Let's, first talk on this only. What is achievement? Do you wake up every day in the morning? That's achievement. Not many people get to do that. Do you have somebody in your life? Do you have family, friends? Do you have a home, a shelter? Do you have food to eat? Are you happy? You do, right? Is it not achievement that you get to live one day every single day? So even if you feel lucky to live, is it not achievement to actually live? We all have something in life that we're grateful for, that we achieved on our own. If I passed my high school, it was an achievement. If I got 21 out of 30 in a test, it was an achievement, isn't it? If I had an ice cream today, it was an achievement that I get to have that because I worked for it. Kunal said, okay. It makes you happy. So is it not achievement? You just need to find one achievement for yourself and tell yourself daily that I will get that. If you want a 1 crore package job, tell yourself that. If you want to marry somebody, tell yourself that. If you want to buy a house or a car, tell yourself that. What you tell yourself is actually what comes true. If you're telling yourself something negative, it will actually result in negative, isn't it? Second is self-regulation, managing on emotions. So back to my questions. What triggers you? What makes you angry? What makes you feel frustrated? When things are not your way, okay. And if you're not able to identify, do you see a list in front of you? What triggers me? There's a list of 24 things that can trigger you. Tell me what number suits you best. Do you feel excluded, powerless, unheard, judged, blamed, disproportionate? Okay, Manisha said, when I'm not able to say what I actually feel. Okay, it's small. It's okay. Give me a second. Is it now visible? Manvi said, when I'm proven wrong and being judged. Okay. So number 4, when you're proved wrong. Okay, like somebody actually proves you wrong, or you feel somebody's proving you wrong by giving you a contra answer. Kunal said 5, 7, 8, 14. Okay. Judged, disrespected, lack of affection, and forgotten. So you feel frustrated and triggered when all this happens, right? Somebody makes you feel that, or you actually make yourself feel this, that I'm disrespected, I'm unloved, I'm this, I'm judged, I'm not welcomed. If I go there, they stop talking. Do somebody feel this? That if I go to a group who is talking and I sit there, then they suddenly stop talking about topic, and you felt it was about you. Manikanti gave a long list. We'll work on it definitely. Manvi said, it's like I'm safe, I'm not right. Okay. Somebody makes you feel that, Kunal? I give you a very good suggestion. Run as far as you can. When somebody makes you feel like that, now they don't deserve you to be in their life. 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So you again, Asta, you feel that, or somebody makes you feel that? And I'm sure more than 90% of people here make them feel themselves this. Okay, we have 2, 4, 12, 15, 20. We have a lot of people who has, at times it's not people but myself. Okay. Lots of people feel triggered when they feel powerless, judged, disrespected, and unsafe. As I felt many times, so I think again will happen. Manikanta, we learn from experiences. Has anybody in your life, all of you, has made you feel judged, disrespected, unloved, not safe? And if we are afraid it will happen again, and for that you react before somebody else so that they can hurt you, they can't judge you, they can't make you feel small, unnoticeable, unloved. Yes. Okay. So this technique, it's called stop. Have you seen this sign? It's a traffic signal sign. It tells you to stop your vehicle. And it will tell you how to stop your thoughts about yourself like this only. Okay. I want you to do a small thing. I want you all to just look at this sign for like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you seen all this? I want you to close your eyes and think about something negative. Just close your eyes and think about something negative. Now reimagine that cross sign in front of you. Close your eyes, think about something negative, reimagine this cross stop sign in front of you, and clap. Literally, you have to clap and say stop, and imagine this sign. Clap. Do it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? So when you did it, that bad thought that you had in your mind, was it still there or it started blinking? थोड़ा आ रहा है, थोड़ा जा रहा है, रेड साइन दिख रहा है, you are able to stop that thought. It's partially gone. Okay, Astha. What about others? Faisal said it's more like same for me. Okay. Did you said what I did, Faisal? Imagine the stop sign and say stop.
Yeah, I did exactly as you said.
Okay. I want to try it once. I want you to try it once again
Sure.
for 15 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. And what about others apart from Asa and Faisal? Nobody did it.